The nature of actions is binary. Actions can have two values, 1 or 0. If making an action gives it a value of 1, then not making it gives it a value of 0. And turning an action from 1 to 0 automatically turns another one into 1. For example, if I go jogging, then jogging has a value of 1. Which means that many other actions will have a value of 0, like sitting in the sofa, like reading a book, watching TV, working in the garden, cooking a meal, playing with my children, talking to my wife, working for YAYOM. And you'll see that by switching on an action, by turning its value from 0 to 1, that action will find itself in an ocean, a vast and wide ocean of zeros. Because most of the things that you could have been doing, you're not doing. Now, does that mean you can only have one at the same time? No, of course not. When I go jogging, I also think, or I dream, or I look around. You can do several things at the same time, and sometimes even one action that gets that's switched on automatically, without ourselves necessarily being aware of it, activates another action. For example, in my case, it often happens that when I throw myself in the sofa late at night, I activate first sitting in the sofa, and at the same time I activate nibbling or drinking something. It almost goes automatically. Of course it doesn't, because I make two separate actions. But those two are strongly connected. So if you want change, if you want to change some of your habits maybe, of your behavior, then awareness of your actions can help you to decide which actions you want to switch on, or which ones you want to switch off, or which ones maybe you want to disconnect, because that's possible. In my case, with the sofa and the nibbling, I have several options. I can decide to, switch off nibbling when switching on sitting in the sofa. Sitting in the sofa gets a value of 1, and nibbling gets a value of 0. Or I can also decide to give both actions a value of 0 and turn on jogging instead. So in that way, by looking at actions as binary things, which can have a value of 1 or of 0, you can experiment, switching on, switching off, and see how you react to that, how that influences your life, and how you actually master what you do. You see, because that's what YAYOM is about, to show you that you are your own master. Isn't that wonderful? I think it is.